Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Rogue key. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press and hold this button, then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot or indentation, which is crucial for the next step. Having the emergency key out also prevents accidental damage during the opening process. It's a simple first step to get you ready for battery replacement. Now that the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot. Take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin and insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a slight click as the clips release. Be sure to apply steady, light pressure to prevent any damage to the plastic casing. This reveals the internal components and the battery. Once the fob is open, you'll see the small, round coin cell battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Nissan Rogue key fobs use a CR 2032 battery, which is readily available. Insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the correct direction, just as the old one was. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Make sure all the edges are flush and sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.